PTSD, suicidal thinking, and mental instability are common when a man enters into a custody case or a high conflict divorce and custody case. That being said, I want to make clear that they are also not normal or healthy, and we need to learn to get out of them. And the answer isn't some quick, simple thing. It's not something that you can just reframe or outthink or get some cheap advice online or from friends and family. We need to start looking at this new road that you are at as a man. So first off, most people online that are commenting about this give a quick answer, quick solution, and they're not there to help you. And yes, some of the advice that they're giving is absolutely correct and you need to do it, but it's missing this other aspect of having somebody walk with you in the entire process of this. This is super important, right? So when we are looking for getting better in this, things like therapy, psychology, yes, those going to a psychologist or a therapist or a counselor or a social worker in this situation is imperative. But what's more important in this, or equally as important, we'll say that, is that you have a support system or team ready to work with you at any given moment. This is huge. There are legal things you're going to confront. There's stuff with relationships you're going to confront. You usually have your ex-partner or soon-to-be ex attacking you in some deep way. You're confronting things in your life that you might be ashamed of. And here's the deal. There are communities of men who can support you in this, and I would highly recommend you get with them. Now, I have this. Other people may have it. There's free groups. This is what I modeled my groups off of. You need to be looking for this kind of help. And if you don't get it, it's not going to go away. Like, I don't care how much you go to the gym. I don't care how much you get into jujitsu, all these things that I do regularly. I don't care how much you get into meditation. You got to get a solution that works, because if you don't handle it, this could not just harm your kids, your money, your future life, but it could end your life today. Get the help you need. This is my job. This is something that I care deeply about. And man, you can live a better life. But we got to start from here.